In this video, I will show you how to find drawstring in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to actually go ahead and obtain drawstring, you actually need to build a spinning wheel. So once you've got a spinning wheel, if you actually go onto the spinning wheel, you can see this where you're going to obtain drawstring. Now to actually go ahead and craft drawstring, you actually need 5 cords. And to go ahead and craft cords, you can see this is also made out of the spinning wheel, you actually need 5 vines. So in total, you're going to need 25 vines to craft 5 cord, which in turn is going to give you 1 drawstring. So to go ahead and get vines, you can actually obtain these from the pumpkin patches. So if you just go ahead and look around the map and you want to go ahead and find the pumpkin patches, so you can see we've got some over here. And if you actually go ahead and collect the pumpkins, it's going to drop pumpkins and also, as you can see, vines. So you get 1 pumpkin and 1 vine from each one. Of course, once you've gone ahead and got enough, so there's a couple more over here, you just want to collect 25 in total. And what you can do is use those vines in the spinning wheel to go ahead and create cords. Once you've then gone ahead and got 5 cords, you will be able to go ahead and create drawstring. So you just need to go around to the map, collect the vines. As I mentioned, it's 25 you want in total to produce 1 drawstring, and then you can come to your spinning wheel and craft the cords and then go ahead and craft a drawstring using your cords. So that's how to go ahead and find drawstring in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.